So I just completed my second season relying on the power pull charge in my tournament boat. And I have to tell you that this is a piece of equipment that I don't feel like I can do without. Nowadays, we're putting so much pressure on our trolling motor and our trolling motor batteries due to the way that we're fishing with forward-facing sonar, that having a battery charger that not only does a great job at night charging those batteries up, but it charges throughout the day. Every time that I start my main engine up, it's delivering a charge to help maintain my trolling motor batteries. Not only is it a great product, it's also super easy to install. Comes with very simple instructions. The setup on it is very straightforward. It's a very lightweight unit, which I like, keeps the weight down in the boat. But more importantly, I can just simply click on the Sea Monster app and check the status of my batteries throughout the day, or especially at night when I'm charging. A lot of times before I shut it down for the night, I always like to just double check, make sure my batteries are getting the proper charge that they need to get me back on the water the next day.